Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Street Striker and this is a new casting for 2025. It is a fantasy casting and I'm hoping that this is from that Let's Race Netflix series. So I personally like this casting so much, so I bought it. So I don't buy all the fantasy castings, but I do buy a very few, which looks really cool, like this one. And I do like the color combination on this one as well because and it is the default superhero color. So I bought it. Okay, here is the card art. That looks really nice. Okay, let's get to the casting. Okay, so out of the box the casting looks absolutely beautiful. It looks really crazy and it has some detailing to it, the interior, but I'm not sure what to make up of this, whether it's supposed to be a steering wheel or this. So I don't watch that particular Netflix series, so I'm not sure what this circular thing is supposed to be. Okay, but apart from that, the casting looks really beautiful and the detailing on this one looks so nice. You can see the pattern on this one looks really good. I don't know if this is... Okay, that is metal, yeah. So the body is fully metal, chassis is fully plastic. So the chassis doesn't have any detailing, but this looks so crazy, man. I'm really glad that I bought this one. Okay, the spoiler is actually plastic, and so I'm hoping that this is supposed to be a shark fin antenna or whatever it is. This part is plastic. This entire piece is plastic here, but the detailing on this looks really good, even for a fantasy casting, just like they did for this El Segundo Coupe. Maybe next to that, this would be my favorite fantasy casting. This looks so cool, and the rims on this one, this looks absolutely gorgeous, and it matches really well with this color scheme on the body as well. I mean the entire car. So if you get a chance to get this casting, go and get it. You won't regret it. This looks so beautiful. I mean, again, this is only one in the box, if you guys are wondering. So I'm not sure whether they are going to redo this casting, but this is a really beautiful casting. Okay, let's weigh this casting now. It's not really heavy, so I'm hoping somewhere around 25 grams or less than that. Okay, 26 grams, not bad. Let's do a roll test. Okay, let's retry. Okay, I'm not sure why it is getting stuck here. It doesn't roll really well, but it's okay. So it's a fantasy casting, and okay, it is supposed to have a headlight detailing here, but it is not there, and I don't see any taillight detail either. So let's rate this casting. Since it's a fantasy casting, nothing to refer to, so we need to go by our guts here. Okay, so I would give 9.5 out of 10 for this because it doesn't have any headlight or taillight detailing, because it is mentioned in the card, it's not here. So 9.5 out of 10. It is a beautiful casting. Please go ahead and get it. If you are able to get this one, again, you won't regret it. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.